I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone. Make sure your OnePlus Nord CE 4 is updated and has Wi-Fi or mobile data active because Circle needs connectivity. Once done, unlock the phone and open the Circle app or its home screen widget. You will see the main search field immediately. Tap it to activate the keyboard. If prompted, allow permissions for microphone or location so results are accurate. Now type a short query or tap the microphone to begin a voice search. This gets you into the workflow quickly. Once your query is entered, refine results by using quotes for exact phrases or adding keywords like file type, PDF to narrow scope. Make sure to swipe the category bar to choose images, videos, news, or apps. Circle respects those filters, so pick the right one for speed. You can also tap the funnel icon to set time range or safe search level. This is useful for freshness or family settings. If you prefer, press the microphone and say commands such as find nearby cafes or show latest reviews to. After filtering, tap a result to open it and long press any result to preview or copy the link if you need to share. If the page doesn't load, use the back arrow to return to results and try a different result or refine your keywords. Make sure to clear the query with the X icon when done. If Circle returns no results, check that app permissions and internet are enabled, restart the app, and, if needed, reboot the phone to resolve caching or network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.